Good morning, friends. My name is Sidaram or Daily English Conversation. This is my YouTube channel. Subscribe and support me or listen me. This is the daily knowledge pool. Her everybody thoughts your life full enjoyment in the successful is the hour is the practice English motivation that's about the living of terms environment suggestion for this the nobody environment is the has been your future life proudness in the requirement this the has the topic pool is the this is the Himalaya areas. The mountain valley is the explained to tourists the best gold areas and the successful is the Kedarnath pray and otherwise is the Tirth Yatra. The successful is the managemental is the theory life about the environment search for this. That's daily English conversation. Subscribe. My name is Sidaram. Is the requirement solution for this thing. Very engagemental start for journey. Himalaya area is the this is the continent is the one plate is the destroy and other areas in this the earthquake this the Jwalamukhi areas in this the volcano is this the destroy other areas is the her areas the flow by magma and this is the her cell and this the soul direct pool this is direct pool this is the layer by layer this is the is the this is the meaning for this mountain area the successful hour is the thickness about the management areas the theory is the type content areas the managemental areas the theory about the ministry of this educational is this is the plate distro and this the globalization areas the aeroplane no zone areas this the 8,000 kilometer areas to mountain valley 8,080 meter areas mountain length height the beautiful environment suggestion for this after this line environment suggestion for this the career about the this engagemental areas that the so many areas in this the her people is the beautiful rainfall is the close by airflow is the direct full effect for this is the cloud and very different for this the other areas the different line it is the rainfall in the ice fall generally it's the meaning for is the tree in this the Jagchor areas in the areas the cutting pool and this the strength trees and therefore is the her animals in the survival areas bear in this the birds and other animals is small this is small areas and this multiple people is the go through Amarnath this is the pray your this the part open your door successfully this the her area beautiful countries this the meaning for meaning so many awards the suggestion life your the hour this the meaning for this the meditation areas to successful this area nobody thank you every this is the suggestion for this the Amarnath Yatra go through suggestion for this after thinking of time managemental is the theory of theory managemental areas so to is best opportunities this is this the yield vegetable is the growing full our thickness award this the this is the catch areas two is the flow by this is the vegetable L in the successful this is her areas to areas in this catch caste to areas in this the vegetable yield. And the successful journey is the Himalaya Yatra is the very cold area, very high, minus 0 degree temperature is the generally about in this the Yatra is the Alaklanda area is the beautiful mountain areas, the valley to valley in the successful journey about this the missing of life environment suggestion for this the after living of times generally is the her area the people is the this is the plate destroy and this is the establishment mountain valley areas the area to area no fly zone and the research men go through helipad and helicopter go through areas the successful this journey the research for is the very destroy is the earthquake is the no everybody earthquake is the no difference areas in this the sometimes earthquake and very difference this is areas to areas and the other areas and sea area to biggest areas 2600 kilometer length and very difference and her every years this is her managemental areas and this the direct food academy this the Everest Mount Everest Nepal areas the successful this the Everest a week and so many and successor this is the Arunachal Pradesh your Tibet side and this Dalai Lama areas the biggest two in the China attack me and destroy your Dalai Lama areas in this the Bharat Dalai Lama run this the support me areas and this the go through areas the successful this the migration areas India government of India is the generally for is the is the hearth is the monk this is her every months every years every rules this the go through areas the management is the theory about is the has been your future in this the sant men and this is the pray for Himalaya area in this the pray and this the good is establish your migration about Vista Sacro million years ago. This is the natural areas, the different part of speech, curriculum, this the managemental areas, the theory of life is engagemental areas, the beautiful is the Tibet is the world areas, the mountain is the biggest areas, the direct theory is the managemental is the very beautiful thinkness is the about life's journey is the beautiful countries here this is the managemental areas the beautiful work as the migration is the money your resource in this the Himalaya areas this the tourist place and support me your this the direction areas in this the explore in this the money provide in this the hotel the generally by generally thoughts and this the meaning for this environment suggestion for the after the living day in this the environment suggestion for this the career about the living of this day managemental areas the theory of theory areas to this the best opportunity her person is the Amarnath go pray and this the very happiness and this the good health is the pray your this the very happiness in the successful is the mind in this the career in this the future and this love this your family successful working through is the managemental theory that is the hardful currently about is the many version this the effect your this the mind manipulated areas this the no destroy her areas the good areas in this the very slight and high cold areas in this the beautiful areas in this the Himalaya